growth. You're the best stock market of South Asia and the 5th best in the world. You're the highest stock foreign exchange reserves, which still have not been broken. This is the potential Pakistan has. Unfortunately, our own leg pulling, political instability, took Pakistan in next 4 years at 47th global economy. I'm a depressed Pakistani when I see and reflect. But Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says, La taqnatu min rahmatillah. You are blessed with everything. People who spread doom and gloom, I wish they should seriously reflect what they're talking. When they say that Pakistan is a debt trap, yes, we have $130 billion worth of external finance, external debt. Yes, we have. 2017, it was something different. But still, you should, when you compare your external debt to GDP, when I left as fourth time finance minister, third time finance minister in 2017, it was 63% debt to GDP. When I came back last year as fourth time finance minister, it was 73%. But still, don't get depressed. United States has over 100% debt to GDP. UK crossed 100% during the COVID debt to GDP. Japan has 257% debt to GDP. So Pakistan has been blessed with tested, proven, and certified reserves of mineral resources, granite, and stones worth $10,000 billion. We have to streamline. We have to work together. You have to take country forward. And inshallah, it is my belief and faith, one day Pakistan is to lead the Muslim Ummah. It is the only country which has been blessed with the nuclear, with the missile technology, and blessed with the, as I said, assets. Those doom and gloom spreaders, I tell them that Pakistan has liquidity problem. Any house can have liquidity problem. Any business can have liquidity problem. Any society can have liquidity problem. But Pakistan is asset solvent. I just used 3 things which add up to tested and certified reserves of $10,000 billion. Compare it with $130 billion of external debt. So we have to work together. You are a team under the leadership of the Foreign Secretary. I think you have to make sure that every one of you should work hard to contribute in the economic development of Pakistan. I assure you, you can. You know, everyone making a little contribution makes a great difference. So with these thoughts, I once again congratulate you on passing out, your parents, and I wish you very well. The Foreign Office and the Foreign Service is clearly seen as a distinctive service in Pakistan, and it is seen from abroad as well. As I said, I feel very happy and satisfied Pakistani when I go abroad and I meet people who tell me that he or she has been trained in this academy. So we'll make sure that this academy is properly looked after, is well equipped, and I have requested Cyrus Saab that he will have a meeting with the team here, our former ambassadors, to actually give little percentage of their time for this noble cause. The objective and agenda should be that we must not stay behind. Unfortunately, with all due respect, I many times observe the laid behind attitude. So that is not option at all in this challenging world. The times of going as ambassadors abroad and having partial golf life and social activities are no longer, the luxury is no longer available. You're competing with the world. See at what happens here in our Pakistan. Any company of their home country having issue in Pakistan, you will find their ambassadors and their officers running.